Many urban development projects like shopping centers or business parks create substantial amounts of impervious surfaces that generate runoff. Underground detention systems allow developers to manage the stormwater runoff from these surfaces without sacrificing space for a surface pond, making them a smart choice in these busy areas. Left unmanaged, stormwater runoff would flood into the streets or erode downstream channels. Detention systems are designed to mitigate these problems, reducing the volume and velocity of stormwater runoff that would otherwise impact downstream neighbors. Because these systems are underground, they create more space above ground that can be used for buildings, parking, and other useful amenities. Underground detention systems are most often installed beneath parking lots or green spaces. When it rains, stormwater is directed into the underground detention system and stored there. Once the rain intensity decreases, the stored water is released gradually, usually over a 48-hour period. This controlled release helps prevent flooding downstream and minimizes erosion. There are many types of underground detention systems, including those made from metal and plastic pipes, concrete vaults, plastic arched chambers, and modular plastic boxes. While these systems all look very different, they all do exactly the same thing: store runoff water from storms underground. As new developments pop up all around us, underground detention systems will continue to play a vital role in managing stormwater to allow for more efficient use of the available space above ground.